Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how to share Wi-Fi to another phone guys. Let's suppose guys you have connected this Wi-Fi and guys you want to connect this Wi-Fi in this phone, so you can connect with the share option guys. So I will show you guys how to share Wi-Fi in Vivo phone to another phone guys. So let's see. So you can see guys in this Redmi phone guys, we don't have connect this Wi-Fi. So how can you connect this Wi-Fi without enter password guys? You can share Wi-Fi to this phone. So let's see. So I first of all open your this Wi-Fi setting guys, this phone, and guys open this setting phone. Then guys you can see this option, share option. So guys click here, and guys you can see scanner, and guys you can scan from here. As you can see share option, so I will click here, and guys we will scan from here. So as you can see in this one guys, we can connect Wi-Fi without enter password. So I hope friends you have understood how to share Wi-Fi in Vivo Y53s phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood. As you can see Wi-Fi has connected. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.